Peruan Saranai. We asked a question in our poll last week. Under how many aggregates, Khandhā, are the 22 faculties indriyāni classified? So to get to this answer, we first need to know what the 22 faculties are, or the indriya are. So there are 22 indriya. The first 7, starting from Chakku, Sota, Gana, Jivha, Kaya, Itti, and Purisa. These 7 faculties are Rupa Indriya, or matter faculties. The 8th faculty, Jivitindriya, life faculty, this is a combination of both Nama and Rupa because it includes the Rupa Jivitindriya, the physical life faculty, as well as the Nama Jivitindriya, mental life faculty, which is a universal mental factor. Then from the 9th until the 22nd, all of these are Nama or Nama Indriya. So Manindriya refers to the mind, the 89 consciousness, that is a mind faculty. Then starting from the 10th until the 14th, Sukhindriya, Dukkhindriya, Somanassa Indriya, Domanassa Indriya, and Upekkindriya. These correspond to the Vedana Chetasika, or the feeling mental factor. There are 5 different forms of feeling. So in terms of mental factors, it corresponds to just one mental factor, which is feeling. Then from 15 to 19, Saddha, Virya, Sati, Samadhi, Panya, these are all beautiful mental factors. Then 20 to 22, Ananya, Tanya, Samiti, Indriya, Anyendriya, Anyata, Vindriya. These 3 are, in terms of ultimate realities, they correspond to knowledge or panya. But it's a special type of panya. It is the supramundane panya, which corresponds to the panya that you find in supramundane consciousness. Now, when it comes to these different types, let's look at the reason why each of these have got separate names, that is from 20 to 22 in the next slide. So now let's look at those 3, the last 3 faculties and why they have been named differently. Now the very first one, Ananya Tanya Samitrindriya. This is the faculty that I will know the unknown. The meaning of Ananyata means unknown. And what is the meaning of this unknown? It means that it's with reference to the previously unknown 4 noble truths or Nibbana. So basically, the first time that an individual will experience the 4 noble truths and Nibbana is through the Sotapatti Magga Chitta, or the path of the stream entry. So this is the first time that individual will begin to know what was previously unknown. This is why this wisdom is called I will know the unknown. And that is the Panya Chetasika, or the knowledge mental factor of the Sotapatti Magga Chitta, the knowledge mental factor of the path of the stream entry. Now, once that previously unknown Nibbana, or the 4 noble truths, has been seen for the first time, then when the same individual goes on to develop the Sotapatti Phala, Anagami Magga, or the Phala, the Arahata Magga, then it is basically getting to know better what was previously, has already been discovered, or what is already known. So getting to know better what is already known is the faculty of final knowledge, or anyendriya. And here it is with reference to the 6 intermediate kinds of supramundane panya, knowledge. That is the Sotapatti Phala, Anagami Magga Phala, and Arahata Magga Chitta's panya, mental factor. So, in other words, it gives effect to the meaning of the faculty in the final knowing again of the states that are already known. Next, when we come to Anyatha Vindriya. Anyatha means known, and this refers to the complete knowledge of the Four Noble Truths or Nibbana. So when does an individual gain complete knowledge of the Four Noble Truths or Nibbana? It is when they reach the state of Arahat Phala. So, okay, there's a small mistake here. This should be Panya of Arahat Palachitta. So, Anyathavindriyam refers to the faculty of one who has final knowledge or the final knower faculty. And that is the knowledge mental factor of the fruit of Arahantship, the Panya of the Arahat Palachitta. So it gives effect to the meaning of the faculty in the manifest state of the one who has final knowledge. So the question I asked you all is actually based on a paragraph in the Dhatu Katha Pakarana, chapter 1. So the paragraph goes as Bhavisati indriyāni khatihi khandhehi khatihayatanehi khatihi dhatuhi sangahitani. Under how many aggregates, under how many bases, under how many elements are the 22 faculties classified? So the answer is also given there. Bhavisati indriyāni chatuhi khandhehi sattahayatanehi te rasahi dhatuhi sangahitani. The 22 faculties are classified under 4 aggregates, 7 bases, and 13 elements. So the answer was given as 4 aggregates. So the 22 faculties are classified under 4 aggregates. And now let's look and see how it happens. Now, starting from Chakku until Purisa, I mentioned these 7 indriya, these 7 faculties are rupa or matter faculties. Therefore, those 7 are classified under rupa Khandha, matter aggregate. Jivitindriya is classified under 2 faculties. The reason being, Jivitindriya contains both the rupa Jivitindriya as well as the nama Jivitindriya. So the rupa Jivitindriya will fall under rupa Khandha, whereas the nama Jivitindriya is a mental factor. It's a universal mental factor, and that will be classified under Sankhara Khandha. So therefore, this same Jivitindriya is classified in 2 different places when it comes to the Khandha, the Rupa Khandha as well as the Sankhara Khandha. Then we come to Sukhindriya, Dukhindriya, Somanassa Indriya, Domanassa Indriya, and Upekindriya. These are 5 different aspects or 5 different forms of feeling mental factor, the Vedana Chetasika. So therefore, they fall under the Vedana Khandha, the feeling aggregate. Next, we come to Sankhara Khandha, and as I mentioned before, Jivitindriya is classified there as well. In addition, we get all of the remaining mental factors that were classified under the 22 faculties. So these are the Saddha, Virya, Sati, Samadhi, and Panyendriya. And in addition, the 3 supramundane Panya, which are the Ananya, Tanya, Samitindriya, Anyendriya, and Anyathavindriya. So these 9 are classified under Sankhara Khandha. And finally, Manindriya refers to the consciousness, and this is classified under Vijnana Khandha. So the 22 Indriya are classified under 4 Khandha. Now, if you add up the numbers that I have given in the center column, so if you add 8 to 5 to 9 to 1, you will get a total of 23. But that is because Jivitendriya is repeated. So when it comes to Indriya, although we mention Jivitendriya twice, we take it as 1 Indriya. Therefore, we will end up having a total of 22. So finally, the answer, under how many aggregates, Khandhā, are the 22 faculties indriyāni classified? The answer is 4. So we come to the end of our discussion. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.